Types of roll forming manufacturer for transportation profiles. At LOTOSFORMING, we specialize in designing and manufacturing advanced roll forming machines for the transportation industry where precision, strength, and durability matter most. In this video, we introduce the main types of roll forming machines used to produce structural profiles for vehicles, trailers, and containers. Bumper beam roll forming machine. The bumper beam roll forming machine is designed for the automotive industry, producing high-strength impact beams that ensure passenger safety. Using advanced roll tooling and servo control, this line forms ultra-high-strength steel with accuracy and smooth surface quality, ideal for modern car and truck bumpers. U-trailer roll forming machine. The U-trailer roll forming machine manufactures U-shaped chassis beams, side rails, and frame structures used in heavy-duty transport trailers. With a robust forming system and precise alignment, it guarantees consistent dimensions and high load-bearing capacity for long-lasting trailer frames. Fender blank roll forming machine. The Fender blank roll forming line produces smooth and curved metal fenders that protect vehicle wheels from mud and debris. It supports materials such as galvanized steel, stainless steel, and aluminum, offering flexibility for different truck and trailer models. LOTOSFORMING's forming technology ensures a clear surface finish and accurate contour, ideal for painting or coating processes. With years of experience serving the automotive and logistics industries, LOTOSFORMING provides turnkey roll forming solutions for all types of transportation components, from bumper beams and trailer frames to container structures.